Tell you about why the Sensex and Nifty are declining today. What is the stock market strategy ahead of the US elections? Because the Sensex and Nifty have shed over 1.5% each. As of now, the Sensex is at 78,406. Why is there a stock market slump before the US polls? For putting all of this into perspective, my colleague Hina is joining us. Hina, give us 5 reasons why the Sensex and the Nifty are seeing this decline today, and what is the link to the US elections?
Well, to be honest, it's one big reason, that is the U.S. election results, is what the markets are clearly watching right now. And in anticipation of what the outcome could be, we are seeing this kind of a reaction on the stock market today. So that is one big reason, in fact, the biggest reason that is leading to, markets tanking here in India. Both Sensex and Nifty are down today quite sharply. Now, experts believe that, how after the U.S. election results, the U.S. Fed is going to behave in terms of its interest rate trajectory. Now, that is what markets are extremely worried about, how the stance going forward is going to be, how the projection for inflation is going to be with the new administration coming in. So all these things are making the markets a bit jittery at this point in time across the world. And in India, we are seeing the similar kind of an impact. And this trend is going to continue for, a few days till the results come out, and then some kind of a direction in the markets is expected. Usually, this is what happens in the stock markets ahead of a big event of this stature. We see a reaction in the stock markets as well, because remember, markets always react before an event.
Yes.
In this case, we don't know whether it's going to be continuity in terms of, the Biden administration via Kamala Harris as the president now, or it's going to be Trump again, who is very, very radical in his ideas, not just for America, but for the entire world. And hence, markets are expressing nervousness, and that's why in India also we are experiencing what the world is experiencing in terms of stock markets.
All right. Thank you, Hina, for putting that into perspective. So there is some kind of uncertainty, and before the US elections, the Indian markets are a little jittery. We'll tell you more about the impact.